In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about the benefits, contraindications, and uses of rutabagas. And I predict that by the end of the video, you will be surprised by at least one of its effects. Health benefits of rutabagas and how to use them. Hi, I'm Dr. Manu, and this channel is all about health and wellness. I help you by providing certified scientific information in a simple and cohesive way. Now, let's dive right in. What is rutabagas? A rutabaga is a nutritious root vegetable that some people call swede, turnip, or Swedish turnip. It belongs to the Brassica genus of plants, whose members are informally known as cruciferous vegetables. It's round with tough purplish skin and yellow-white flesh, and looks similar to a turnip. In fact, it's commonly referred to as a cross between a turnip and a cabbage. Many people consider rutabaga to have a peppery flavor and think it goes well in many everyday dishes. The rutabaga is a staple in Northern European cuisine. What are the health benefits of rutabagas? Rutabaga contains many beneficial nutrients and phytochemicals. First, on average, a single rutabaga weighs 386 grams, which is almost 14 ounces, and contains only 143 calories. Taking into account that more than half of its weight is made up of water, and that it also contains 9 grams of fiber, this vegetable is perfect for those who want to maintain or reach a healthy weight without giving up feeling full after eating. Most people in the US fail to reach the recommended daily portion of dietary fiber. Individuals with high intakes of dietary fiber appear to be at significantly lower risk for developing coronary heart disease, stroke, hypertension, diabetes, and obesity. And an average-size rutabaga alone contributes from 24% to 36% of the recommended daily fiber intake. Increasing fiber intake lowers blood pressure and serum cholesterol levels. Increased intake of soluble fiber improves glycemia and insulin sensitivity in non-diabetic and diabetic individuals. Fiber-rich foods in obese individuals significantly enhance weight loss. Increased fiber intake benefits a number of gastrointestinal disorders, including the following: gastroesophageal reflux disease, duodenal ulcer, diverticulitis, constipation, and hemorrhoids. Prebiotic fibers appear to enhance immune function. Dietary fiber intake provides similar benefits for children as for adults. Most of its calories come from carbohydrates, 33 grams, followed by 4 grams of protein. It does not contain any compounds dangerous to health, such as trans fats and dietary cholesterol. Rutabagas are an excellent source of potassium, 35% of the daily value, calcium, 17% of the daily value, magnesium, 18% of the daily value, vitamin E, 7% of the daily value, and vitamin C, 10% of the daily value. They also contain a moderate amount of folate, a B vitamin that is important for metabolism, protein synthesis, and DNA replication. Furthermore, rutabagas provide small amounts of phosphorus, selenium, and other minerals. Due to the 2 major vitamins it contains and its phytonutrients like lutein and beta-carotene, rutabaga is a good source of antioxidants. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, which are harmful compounds that damage cells and lead to oxidative stress when levels become too high in your body. Vitamin C also plays key roles in immune health, iron absorption, and collagen synthesis. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that also fights cell damage and helps maintain a healthy cell membrane. Interestingly, vitamin C and E work closely together. After vitamin E is depleted, vitamin C helps regenerate it, allowing for these antioxidants to continue protecting your cells. The lutein it contains protects your body's proteins, fats, and DNA from stressors, and can even help recycle glutathione, another key antioxidant in your body. Lutein also works to protect your eyes from free radical damage. Your eyes are exposed to both oxygen and light, which in turn promote the production of harmful oxygen-free radicals. Lutein cancels out these free radicals, so they're no longer able to damage your eye cells. Keep in mind that lutein, along with another compound found only in some vegetables, is the only dietary carotenoids that accumulate in the retina, particularly the macular region, which is located at the back of your eye, thus carrying out a protective action that is more unique than rare, simultaneously protecting against age-related macular degeneration, slowing down the formation of cataracts, reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy, and protecting against a dangerous inflammation called uveitis. Rutabagas also contain high amounts of glucosinolates, which are compounds with antioxidant properties. They have been shown to reduce inflammation and potentially even your risk of heart disease and colorectal cancer, prostate cancer, and breast cancer. Also, due to its antioxidant content, rutabaga may prevent premature aging both at the cellular level and in the outward appearance. Many signs of aging can be moderated through the environment and your diet, as well as by reducing inflammation-promoting activities such as smoking and sun exposure. The antioxidants that rutabaga contains helps neutralize free radicals in your skin caused by pollution and damage from ultraviolet (UV) light. The antioxidants it contains also play a key role in the synthesis of collagen, an important protein that keeps your skin strong, flexible, and healthy. Rutabaga plants and sprouts contain compounds that support sleep, mood, and hunger regulation. Researchers in rutabaga have discovered these compounds that facilitate a good quality of rest during sleep: tryptophan, melatonin, and serotonin. Quality sleep is directly related to wakefulness, mood, and the functional ability of the brain to properly regulate the level of hunger. Rutabaga side effects and risks. Consuming rutabagas is considered safe unless there is an allergy to it. Special attention should also be given if you suffer from irritable bowel syndrome. Generally, if you have digestive difficulties, it is recommended to chew slowly, reduce the portion taken for a single meal, and not dilute the gastric juices by drinking too much water just before or during meals. What is the best way to consume rutabagas? The raw rutabaga preserves better the vitamin C it has, tastes excellent in salads, and can be eaten as a snack. Its taste gives very much the idea of a cross between a turnip and a cabbage. At this point, you might be wondering what is the difference between rutabaga and a turnip. Turnips are a slightly different species and have white flesh compared to rutabaga's yellow flesh. Rutabagas are typically larger, harder, and denser than turnips. Rutabagas have less sodium, more vitamins, more fiber, more potassium, and a little more protein for the same weight compared to turnip. Turnips are a little more peppery and less sweet and buttery when cooked than rutabagas. Generally, cooking makes the fibers more tender and facilitates digestion. Moreover, in the case of cooked rutabagas, as a consistency, they resemble potatoes. Because of this, it is usually preferred to eat them cooked. Cooking increases the bioavailability of the beta-carotenoids it contains, which will then form vitamin A in the liver once taken. But on the other hand, it reduces the amount of vitamin C. Regarding cooking, among all methods, the one that allows you to better preserve the nutrients in vegetables is steaming. In the second place nearby is microwave cooking and then baking, while the last places are boiling, grilled cooking, and frying, which is the absolute worst. But why? Boiling, grilled cooking, and frying are very aggressive methods that destroy thermolabile vitamins such as vitamin C in food. Furthermore, by breaking more easily the fibrous bonds between the cells, they dilute the minerals in the cooking water or oil. In addition, grilling burns the surface of the food, producing dangerous, highly carcinogenic compounds. The effect does not need to be visible to the naked eye for it to occur. A similar phenomenon occurs with frying, except that in addition, accelerated oxidation of the fat used for frying takes place, which, in addition to increasing the empty calories assumed, causes various cumulative damage to health over time. Boiling vegetables is inefficient and wasteful, but grilling and frying are like buying a Ferrari and then driving it towards a precipice. My suggestion is to cook them either steamed or baked, microwave or normal. Before cooking, make sure you peel the skin before slicing it, and don't attempt to cut off large chunks. If you attempt to slice it in half, your knife will likely get stuck. Instead, slice off thin slices starting from the outside. Cutting it fine will obviously speed up the cooking time. Due to their versatility in flavor and preparation methods, rutabagas can replace potatoes, carrots, turnips, and other root vegetables in most recipes. Regarding storage, both rutabagas and turnips can be stored in the refrigerator in the crisper drawer set to the humid setting for up to 2 weeks. Rutabagas can also be stored like potatoes or onions in a cool, dark place like a cupboard. In a nutshell, rutabagas contain many beneficial nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They may help to control weight by promoting feelings of fullness. Furthermore, they contain powerful compounds that help fight inflammation, prevent premature aging, and are associated with a reduced risk of various cancers. They keep the bowels healthy and prevent chronic diseases. In addition, people can cook it in various ways and use it as an alternative to unhealthier foods such as potato fries. If you like this video, don't forget to like, Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on new content. Thanks for watching.